We're here at Reed Bingham State Park in Georgia.
Open roads beneath our wheels, horizons calling, spirit feels the promise of adventure's light, guided by a faith so bright. Cruising with purpose, sailing free, discovering wonders, you and me. Easy dream adventures, faith our guide, God's love surrounding us worldwide.
Hi, I'm Frank.
And I'm Leanne. Welcome to Easy Dream Adventures.
Columbus, Georgia, coming up. I was here in 1979, did this lighting for a Barry White concert.
Oh yeah? I love that grass in the middle there. Looks cool. There it is.
Mountain Dew.
It's kind of neat on the old side.
We're going in the pecan store, Merritt Pecan Company and General Store, somewhere in Georgia. Looks just like a gas station to me. There's nothing special here. It's the pecan store. Pecan cultivars. What's a pecan cultivar? They got every kind of jelly here you can imagine. Muscadine, mint, corncob jelly, peach jelly, blackberry jam, red plum jam, strawberry jam, bear jam, frog jam, toe jam, traffic jam. Yeah. A lot of cotton.
Yeah. To the Piggly Wiggly Express. Reed Bingham State Park in southern Georgia is a peaceful 1,613-acre escape located just 8 miles west of Adel and Interstate 75. Centered around a beautiful 375-acre lake, this park is a favorite for boaters, skiers, paddlers, and anglers alike. The fishing here is excellent. Bass, crappie, catfish, and brim are plentiful, and visitors can rent canoes or kayaks to explore the calm waters lined with fragrant water lilies and towering tupelo trees.
Hey, we're here at Reed Bingham State Park in Georgia. So Register for camping. Well, we're all set.
Nature trails. We can do some nice bike riding here, it looks like, huh?
Yep.
Lots of area to go. Look at the boat ramp. What number are we?
I don't know.
You don't know.
37.
Okay. With its rich wildlife, peaceful trails, lake activities, and well-equipped campground, Reed Bingham State Park is a wonderful destination for anyone seeking to explore and enjoy the beauty of God's creation in the heart of Georgia. It's Camp Area 1, Loop 1.
We got Halloween tonight. Got candy left?
Yeah. Camping Loop 23 through 36 is this way. Wow. These guys really do it up. Jack and Box.
Not gonna have anything.
No. I mean, I have my pumpkin things, but... Oh, that cat's head moves. Oh, look at the eyeballs on this guy. Oh, that's neat with that tree there and the moss. $32. Did you say it's a pull through?
No.
A back end? Oh. 31. 33. 34. 35. Are you sure it's 36?
It's 37.
Oh, you said 36.
Whatever.
So it's that one up there then.
That's what I said when we were pulling in.
What number are we?
I don't know.
You don't know.
37.
Okay. Okay, dear. 36.
Turn our trees.
Oh. This is gonna be us.
Should be over the back of the trailer. It's pretty spooky here at Reed Bingham.
Pumpkin there. campground offers a welcoming mix of 46 pull-through and back-in sites, including convenient full hookup sites with cable TV connections. Whether you're traveling by RV or tent, the park provides a restful, scenic place to settle in and enjoy the outdoors. Wildlife enthusiasts will love Reed Bingham's abundant animal life. It's one of the few places where you might spot gopher tortoises, yellow-bellied sliders, indigo snakes, and even American alligators sunning along the shoreline. In winter, nesting bald eagles are frequently seen soaring above the treetops, and thousands of black vultures and turkey vultures gather in the park's trees, creating a unique and memorable sight.
If you enjoyed our video, be sure to give us a like, and we would appreciate if you would subscribe to our channel. It costs you nothing and it really helps us out. Lastly, be sure to ring the notification bell so you will be notified when we publish our next video.
Cruising with purpose, sailing free, discovering wonders, you and me. Easy dream adventures, faith our guide, God's love surrounding us worldwide. Surrounding us worldwide.